Bukit Kemuning Industrial Park, Shah Alam, Selangor, price, Rm$35,500,000.00 factory for sale freehold tenure, 62,000 square feet floor area, 3-story unit, premium freehold industrial asset, Shah Alam, Malaysia, FDI approved. Prime turnkey factory with AAA specifications for MNCs and institutional buyers. Strategic investment highlights, 100% foreign ownership allowed freehold title, no restrictions. Located in Selangor, Malaysia's #1 FDI destination, 32% of national manufacturing investments in 2023. Built for modern industry, 14 meters clear height, 5 ton per square meter floor load, 400 A power, expandable. Immediate revenue potential, tenant ready with 6 loading bays and grade A office space. Investment specifications, attribute details. Land area, 88,286 square feet, corner lot, total built up, 61,409 square feet, warehouse plus 4-story office, power capacity, 400 A, 3-phase, supports automation, ceiling height, 14 meters, accommodates vertical storage, loading bays, 6, designed for heavy logistics. Value proposition, rental yield, projected 7 to 9%, current Shah Alam industrial rates, Rm 2.50 to 3.50 per square foot, exit strategy, high resale demand due to limited freehold industrial land in Greater KL. Tax incentives, eligible for MITA incentives, pioneer status, ETA exemptions. Ideal for multinational corporations, MNCs, establishing ASEAN hubs, REITs/private equity funds seeking stable industrial assets. Manufacturing investors relocating from China/Vietnam. Location advantages, 15 minutes to Shah Alam City, 25 minutes to Port Klang, ASEAN's second busiest port, 30 minutes to Kuala Lumpur city center. For more information and viewing, kindly contact Sonny at +6016 218 7571 or email sonnycock2@gmail.com.